Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon chihuahua. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute drawing of a cartoon chihuahua, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a nice big circle for one of the eyes. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to make another big circle right over here. Next, I'm going to make a big circle inside like this, and then another big circle right here. See, I left a little bit of white at the bottom. Next, I'm going to put a circle at the top of each one. And then I'm just going to go ahead and color this in around here. Now let's work on the nose. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and we're going to bring it down. Then I'm going to curve this line up. Then I'm going to bring this line down and up here. Next, I'm going to make a line across for the nose. And a little line that's going to go down and up. And then I'm going to color in most of this and I'll just leave the top white. So it kind of looks like we have a little bit of reflection. Then I'll draw a little line down here for the tongue. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up to here for the head. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up for their big ear. And then we're going to bring this down. I'll make a little curved line, then a line that's going to come up and then down for the inside of the ear. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to curve up, then we're going to bring this down, and then I'm just going to start right about here, and I'm going to go up and then down for the inside of the ear. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out, and I'm going to curve it to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Then we can just go ahead and connect this line. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to bring this over and then up for a little collar. And then we'll just put a little circle here with a little line up here for the tag. Then I'm just going to make a little curved line up here to kind of show where the eyebrows are. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out and then in. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down for the leg. I'll bring this line up and down for the foot. We'll bring this over and up here. For this leg, we're just going to go down, curve this up, down, and over. Right here, I'm going to curve this line up and down for the back. And then we're going to bring this line up. I'm going to curve this line down. We're going to come down here. Then we'll make another little curve down for the foot. We'll bring this over. Then I'm going to bring this up and in just a little bit. And then we'll connect it here. Then right here, I'm just going to curve this down. We're going to bring it down a little bit for that other leg. Curve this down and over. And then we'll bring this line up. Then for the tail, let's curve a line that's going to come up and then down. Next, I'm just going to add two little lines on each one of these feet just so we can have some little toes for our cute little Chihuahua. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute little Chihuahua. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.